Alright, so now we're going to take a look at my new video design suite, video software service that I'm working on. About to release it real soon, but yeah, basically for video animations. If you need intro, outros, you need like a Facebook cover video, slideshow videos, Instagram story videos, all that, even advertisement videos. Basically, you could do it with this new software app that I'm putting out. It's a few different apps, but I'm gonna just let you take a look at two of them. One is strictly for like real estate and realtor advertising. Then another one is for like local business advertising. I'm gonna let you just see some animations, some video animations I did with the apps real quick. So yeah, check these out.